You might not be aware of it, but every single day, a handful of traders make a lot of money on the stock markets, even during times of economic crises. Let's have a closer look at how they do it. First, understand that trading financial assets works exactly like real estate. When prices go down, you buy, and when prices go up, you sell. However, there are two different ways to bet on the stock markets. You can buy stocks and resell them at a higher price later on, but in this case, it all depends on supply and demand. The stock price could decrease even further and never get back to the price at which you bought it. A second option is to follow the trend, buying when the price is rising and selling when the price is falling. This is exactly what this handful of traders is doing, winning large amounts of money by making bets on the stock market with a single click of a button. To make a long story short, they play against the system. The strategy they use is very simple, yet very smart. They know that if a stock price is falling, it means that most people on the markets are trying to get rid of it. This creates a strong pressure on the downside, allowing traders to make a quick profit by betting on the price dropping further for a short period of time. The opposite works just as well. They know that if a stock price is rising, it means that most people on the markets are trying to buy it. This creates a strong pressure on the upside, allowing traders to make a quick profit by betting on the price rising further for a short period of time. On a few sites, traders place these bets in a single click, and from home. So now that we're done with the theory, let's have a look at how this works in reality. ZoomTrader is the main site I use to make money online with this strategy. Usually, you would have a sign-up form on the top right of this page to get started by opening a free account. In this case, you can't see it because I'm already logged in. You'll also notice that I have exactly $5,964 on my account. I started about a month ago with a deposit of $500, meaning that I've made over $5,450 in pure profit so far. And I only trade a few hours per week. Not bad, is it? So let's get started. First, you need to click on the digital button right there, and then on all. Also, you need to make sure that you are in classic mode, as you can see on the screen. By default, the multi-mode is selected, so click on the classic button. This is what the main trading interface looks like, and we're going to trade based on what we have on screen here. On the left, you can find the list of all the assets that we're going to look at. You can notice that the next expiry is at 5 p.m., meaning that all the trades we make now will be closed automatically at 5 p.m. Right now, the time is 4:46 p.m., so we have 14 minutes left until the end of this trading session. What we're going to do is look at the price chart for each asset to see if there is an upside trend, a downside trend, or a neutral trend. If the price is going up, we're going to click on Call and bet on the upside. If the price is going down, we're going to click on Put and bet on the downside. If the price is moving sideways, then it's a neutral trend and we don't do anything. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. I click on the first asset in the list, Euro versus British Pound. On the chart, I notice that the price is moving sideways, not really going up or down. It's a neutral trend. Therefore, I'm going to skip this one and move to the next one, General Electric. I don't really like this one either. Overall price is up, but the trend is not clear. Next one, British Pound versus Japanese Yen. On this chart, we can see that the price is clearly going up. This is without a doubt what we call an uptrend. So what I'm going to do is place a bet on the upside. To do that, I click on Call, and I'm going to bet $100. Trade executed successfully. And if I scroll down on the page, you can see that our bet is right there. Now, let's move on to the next one, Coca-Cola. Again, the chart shows that the price seems to be moving up, but the trend is not very clear. It is very important that you learn how to spot the clear trade in order to place good winning trades. So we skip this one and move on to the next, Citigroup. Now that's what I call a clear upside trend. There's no doubt that the price is going up. So just like for the previous trade we entered, I click on Call and bet $100. Trade executed successfully. I move on to the next one, S&P Future. The price is clearly going up, a bit of reversal in the end, but it's certainly not enough to worry me. I click on Call again and bet $100. Next asset is the DAX future. Again, the price is going up on an upside trend. Again, you know what I'm going to do. Click on Call and bet $100. FTSE Future. I noticed the same upside trend. A small reversal in the end, but again, it's not significant enough to worry me. So, as usual, I click on Call and bet $100. Next asset is crude oil. I don't like the price action on this one. You could argue that the price is going up, and you'd be right. But again, the trend is not clear enough for me to place a trade. Next one is gold. This one is clearly on a neutral trend. I'm going to skip it as well. Next one is NASDAQ. Here, as you can see, we have a very clear upside trend. So, just like for all the previous trades we entered, I'll click on Call and bet $100. You know how it works now, so I'm going to scroll down the list until I find a clear trend that I want to bet on. US dollar versus Canadian dollar. For the first time in this trading session, we have a downside trend. The price is clearly going down. In this case, I'm therefore going to click on Put and place a bet on the downside of $100, as usual. Now we have enough trades in. I'm just going to scroll down the screen in case I find another very clear trend. Vodafone. That's one of the most beautiful upside trends you can get. Almost no price reversal at all. So, I click on Call and bet $100 once again. US dollar versus Japanese yen. Same here, very clear upside trend, no doubt about it. Again, I'm going to click on Call and bet $100. We could keep scrolling down the list, but I think I have enough trades in now. As you can see, the full list of all the trades we're in is right there. That's a total of 9 trades. If I scroll up, you can see that I now have a balance of $5,064, $900 less than when we started this session, which makes sense since I made 9 trades for $100 each. It's 4:49 p.m. right now, and all the trades we have expire at 5 p.m. So what I'm going to do is pause the video and restart it in 10 minutes, right when the trading session ends, so that you don't have to wait. See you soon. I'm back. As you can see on the screen, it's now 4:59 p.m., and we are only a few seconds away from the end of the trading session. All my trades are still here, and I still have a balance of $5,064. A lot of green here, which is a good sign. Let's wait a few seconds more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Expiry. The trading session is now over. We will know in a couple of seconds whether we made money or not. Look at that. My balance just updated, and now I have $6,582 in my account. As you know, I started this session with $5,964, meaning that we made an amazing $618 profit in just 15 minutes. How good is that? Now, let's have a closer look at all the trades we made and how they worked for us. To do that, we click on the My Trades link right there. All the details are in this section. You can see the $618 that we made. Out of the 9 trades that we entered, 8 of them ended up making money for us. We lost only 1 trade. It's obvious that you're not going to win all your bets. That's clearly impossible. What matters is that you end up winning more often than losing in the end. That's how you make money with this strategy on the long run. Want to try again? Very easy. You click on the Trade Now button. As you can see, it's now 5:01 p.m., and the next trading session ends at 5:15 p.m., meaning that you have 14 minutes to place your bets following the strategy I just showed you. This strategy is amazing, and you can use it every half hour if you want to. You won't win every trade, but you will end up winning more often than losing if you bet on all the clear trends. I hope you liked this video. I certainly enjoyed recording it for you. This strategy, used by many traders over the world, is very powerful, and now you can use it for your own benefit. Thanks for your time. Have a good day. Bye.